Good morning, Clearborough, North Dallas. 2018 Model 3. This car came to us with several thousand miles on it, but full paint correction was performed, full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, and I got to tell you, the car had a great deal of wear and tear on the paint, lots of scuffs and swirls, and some other minor rock damage. But here's the after picture of it. I think we're looking at about 28,000 miles, and you can just see with that film and the clarity of it, after a complete paint correction and polish compound, this hood was like awful. It had more scuffs and swirls in it from a car wash than what I've ever seen. The T was removed, so we don't have any lines around it. You'll see a couple little impacts from scratching and stuff like that, but not bad for almost 30,000 miles. The bumper held up really well. It has a few little marks here from just some damage with stuff hitting it without the bra. There's a little hit from a bra, but overall there's 2 or 3 marks on it, and it just looks fantastic for 30,000 miles. This car is driven mostly in the city. I'm sure it has had some highway mileage. Doors are great. No damage on the doors. No damage on the rear. Of course, the rear bumper had no impacts at all, or any type of markings from loading and stuff like that. Had a couple scratches on this deck lid I couldn't get out. But overall, the car looks new again. I think the owner was a little bit upset that his car was taking such a beating, but the Tesla paint, it does take a few hits, and it doesn't hold up as well as other cars. So there you go, full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus, the only way to go, the thickest film in the marketplace and the fastest self-healing, and the clarity is just phenomenal. There you go. That's what your 2-year-old 30,000 mile Tesla 3 could look like if you never wrapped it when it was new and you wrap it later. So they come out looking great. This one I think was a lucky one. Not most cars look this good after 30,000 miles, especially black, but there it is. So much better than what it was. I wish I had a before picture I can edit in with this, but I didn't do that, sorry. But there you go, guys. 2020 Model 3 XPEL Ultimate Plus, full wrap. Thank you. ClearBrawNorthDallas.com.